everyone, I'm Pam Robbins and I'm the owner of Purple Crayon. I wanted to remind you about a workshop that I'm actually going to be teaching later this month called Making Needle Felted Easter Eggs. It's going to be on Sunday, March 25th from 2 to 4:30, and we are going to be making these little guys. We're actually be teaching you two different techniques. This first one is a little bit more of a traditional needle felting technique where we're actually going to start with a ball of something called roving, which is basically a semi-refined wool, and we'll be wrapping it in a little ball and then building it up by wrapping additional roving on it and taking a little tool that you keep poking at it until it becomes hard and becomes an egg shape like this. Then eventually you cover it with more refined colored roving, and you can create different colored eggs, you can create different designs and whatnot. So that's one kind of egg I'm going to be showing you how to make. The other kind is this, and this actually started with a styrofoam egg. So you get to skip the step where you have to make the little ball using the roving. You can go right to the decorating. So you'll be taking the colored roving and your little needle thing, and you'll be covering the ball with the colored roving and making little designs. You can see I made a little swirl and stuff here. So anyway, it's really fun. And this one's a really quick thing, and this one takes a little bit more time, but they're both fun. So the neat thing about the workshop is even if you have really no interest in Easter, but you would like to learn how to needle felt, you'll learn how to do that, and you'll walk away from the workshop knowing how to have the basic tools, and you can make little needle felted animals or needle felted people, or really pretty much any kind of little needle felted structure you can think of, because you'll know how to do it. Anyway, I hope you will consider it. You can go to the Purple Crayon website to register, and that's www.purplecrayonavl.com/workshops. So if you have any questions, you can also contact me. I would be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. All right, my friends, thanks for considering it, and hopefully I will see at least some of you in a few weeks. Take care.